The three-point lighting is a method used in various visual media such as theater, video, cinema, photography, and more. With this technique, the photographer can illuminate the subject of the shot as desired, while also controlling the shading and shadows produced by the direct lighting. The key light, as its name suggests, shines directly on the subject and serves as the primary light source. More than anything else, the power, color, and angle of the key light determine the overall lighting design of the shot. In indoor shots, the key is usually a specialized lamp or the flash of a camera. In outdoor shots during the day, the sun often serves as the primary light. In this case, of course, the photographer cannot adjust the light to the exact position he wants, so instead, he plans the shot to capture the sunlight effectively, perhaps waiting for the sun to be in the right position. The fill light also illuminates the subject, but from a side angle relative to the key light, and is often placed at a lower position than the key light. It balances the key light by lighting the shaded surfaces and reducing or eliminating the chiaroscuro effect. We will talk about chiaroscuro in another episode. It is usually softer and less bright than the key light. The absence of fill light can result in intense contrasts. In low-key lighting, this is a deliberate effect, but shots intended to look more natural and less stylized require fill lighting. The backlight, also known as rim, hair, or shoulder light, shines on the subject from behind, often, but not necessarily, from one side or the other. It provides a rim of light to the subject, which serves to separate the subject from the background and accentuate the outlines. These techniques are the foundation for understanding the use of lighting in a scene, but the way they are used is to achieve the right lighting that fits the story.